to choose this topic. Often I see people who lost their body parts due to some tragedies, like they can't speak or use their hands to communicate. So when I came to know about the system that with the help of this disabled people can communicate, I decided to study and learn about this topic. Now I will introduce my topic, that is eye gaze communication system. This system operates with eyes by looking at control keys displayed on the screen. With this system, a person can synthesize speech, control his environment, run computer software, access the internet, etc. These are some features of eye gaze communication system. This system is robust and extremely easy to calibrate. System explicitly accommodates several common sources of gaze point tracking error. A video camera located below the computer screen remotely observes the subject's eye. No attachments are required to the head. Some skills which are very necessary in this communication system are that you should have a very good control over your one eye, should have an ability to keep head still in front of the camera, and it would be very good if one has reading or word recognition skill. Now here you can see the structure of the eye gaze communication system. Now I am going to explain you the working of eye gaze communication system. First of all, user sits in front of the eye gaze monitor. A specialized video camera mounted below the monitor observes one of the user's eye. Image processing software in the eye gaze system's computer continually analyzes the video image of the eye and determines where the user is looking on the screen. Nothing is attached to the user's head or body. Here I explain the working in detail as follows. The eye gaze system uses the corneal reflection method to determine where the user is looking on the screen. As infrared sensitive video camera mounted beneath the system's monitor takes 60 pictures per second of the user's eye, a low power infrared light emitting diode mounted in the center of the camera's lens illuminates the eye. The LED reflects a small bit of light off the surface of the eye's cornea. The light also shines through the pupil and reflects off the retina, the back surface of the eye, and causes the pupil to appear white. Then bright pupil effect enhances the camera's image of the pupil and makes it easier for the image processing functions to locate the center of the pupil. Now the computer calculates a person's gaze point, that is the coordinate of where he is looking on the screen. This is a diagrammatic representation of the working of eye gaze system, which I have explained in previous slides. Here are the uses of eye gaze communication system. The eye gaze can calibrate, that is adjust to a new user in about 15 seconds. Second one is type write, that is type with one or four keyboards, then print or speak. Then comes read text. Here we can turn pages on the computer screen by looking at up or down. Then comes entertain with games, where we can play games.